Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to unsend invite message on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram application. On the home screen, tap on the messages icon at the top right corner. Your chats with all the people will appear. Tap on the one from which you want to unsend the invite message. Hold on the message. Few options will appear. As you can see that there's no option to unsend the message. Rather, here an option of delete for you. Selecting it will delete the message just from your side, but it will not unsend the message. To unsend the message, simply close the Instagram application, open the Chrome and log in to your account. Tap on the messages icon from the bottom of the screen. From here, select the chat from which you want to unsend the invite message. Once it opens, tap on the message once. Three dots will appear at its beginning. Tap on it. A variety of options will appear. You will also see the unsend option here. Tap on it, then tap on unsend again. The message will be unsent. And this is how you can unsend invite message on Instagram.